If you're watching this video, you're probably interested in studying abroad.
And there are some really important things to consider when packing to live in another country.
So we're gonna be talking about documents, clothing, toiletries, everyday items, and technology. So here's what you need to know.
So some of the important travel documents you're gonna need are your passport, your license, your plane ticket, your medical insurance card, and your vaccination card.
Make a copy out of all of these just in case.
All right, now we're gonna talk about packing. When you pack your suitcase, we highly recommend that you leave some extra space for any clothing, any shoes, anything that you're gonna buy here, because exactly what she said.
I didn't say anything.
Yeah, you wanna check the weather before you leave and make sure that you pack for like the coldest weather, because being cold is not nice. You wanna be hot like Sarah.
I actually like being cold.
Oh, but you're not cold, you're so hot. You're so hot. Aww. Speaking of packing for the weather, you wanna make sure you bring an umbrella as well. I have not used an umbrella personally myself, just because I'm not a fan of them. Have you used an umbrella while you're studying abroad?
I'm not an umbrella person. This
not.
is waterproof. Woo! Woo! I have literally lots of layers. A long sleeve shirt on, a short sleeve shirt, another shirt,
Wow.
sweatshirt.
Wow.
And then, yeah.
Boom. Boom. It's all about layering, insulation, keeping yourself warm. Let them know. Now I'm gonna talk about socks. Okay, socks and underwear. You realistically, how many pairs of socks, how many pairs of underwear do you need before you do your laundry? That's exactly how many you should pack. You know, if you like to go out a lot, bring extra socks. If you're a dirty person and you can't wipe properly, bring extra.
I know a dirty person, I'll bring that.
Lucas needs to wipe better. If you don't know how to wipe your properly, you want to bring extra underwear. What she said. Speaking of shoes, listen, you need a pair of like rain shoes, you need a pair of exercise shoes, and an everyday pair of shoes. That's all you need. And going out, if you like doing that stuff, bring a pair of shoes for going out. That's all you need. 3-4 pairs. Perfect. And realistically, you're probably gonna buy a new pair here anyway. Nani? Now we're talking about accessories, not accessories, bags. Duffels and backpacks. How many backpacks, duffel bags, etc. do you think you need for study abroad?
Like 2.
Probably 2.
2. If you're gonna travel a lot, bring a duffel bag.
In a big backpack.
A big backpack. And if you like going out, maybe a purse.
Small purse.
Small
crossbody
purse.
purse, yeah.
Lucas, you like going out? You bring a purse everywhere? Of course. Wow. No, I have my pockets.
So for toiletries, we highly recommend buying whatever you might need on a daily basis in the country you're studying abroad in, because a lot of the times it'll either get flagged at the airport or just take up too much space in your suitcase. And for medications, bring whatever you think you might need, because it might not be sold in the country you're visiting. And if it's prescription based, just have enough for about 4 months. So for hair dryer and hair straightener, you want to buy it in the country that you're going to be living in, because the different outlets and voltages might break it. We were able to buy a hair dryer for $15 and it's worked perfect all of the months. You will know what technology you use the most, but we at least recommend bringing your phone and charger, laptop and charger, and 2 pairs of headphones, 1 Bluetooth and 1 wired, just as a backup in case one breaks.
We always have music playing in our apartments, so we brought our speakers from the States. However, if you choose not to bring your speakers with you, you can always buy them here. Now, in terms of gaming consoles, I personally brought my Xbox from home and I play it all the time. Just make sure you bring your HDMI cable with you and obviously the power cord.
I was told I had to be wearing clothing for this video, so I'm wearing this really cool sweater, and only this really cool sweater. When you go study abroad, you want to take pictures, take videos, because you want to hold these memories. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So guys, when you go study abroad, you want to take your phone, you want to take your camera everywhere you go. You want to take pictures, videos, just to keep memories of everything, because you're going to be doing so much and you're not gonna vividly remember everything, so it would be nice to have like pictures. We don't have special cameras, we kind of just use our phones to film. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but that's how we roll. If you have a camera, bring a camera. If you have a phone, you probably have a phone, bring your phone.
One of the things people usually forget is outlet adapters. So the EU uses type C and the UK uses type G. So definitely bring 2 of both, just in case you travel from one place to another. It's definitely going to come in handy.
It will.
So weather-wise, if you plan on exploring, make sure to bring a hat and gloves because they will be necessary.
And we have been able to manage without an umbrella, but if you want to bring one, you definitely can, and you will be able to use it. It rains here.
It does.
It's raining today, but see, neither of us have an umbrella, so we're good.
And sunglasses.
I hate sunglasses. I think they're bad.
They're dope.
It's important to bring some currency from the country you're traveling to. but we've noticed that it's not as necessary to bring a lot. Also, you should have some credit cards with no foreign transaction fee, so call the bank to make sure that they don't. Also, you should bring some backup IDs.
So all of our kitchens came with the basic cutlery items that you need. So you got knives, forks, spoons, all the plates, stoves, pots, and everything. However, there aren't those extra kitchen items like you need, like air fryer, a rice cooker, Instapot maybe. I don't know, whatever you need that you think you need beyond the kitchen, they don't have it here. So if you can bring it with you, bring it. If not, you can always get it here.
How are you gonna bring a rice cooker and
So people did it.
a air fryer?
So this rookie obviously doesn't know that rice cookers and air fryers comes in all different shapes and sizes.
Yeah, but do you really want it to be small?
Size doesn't matter.
Those who know what that means know what that means.
So we were fortunate enough to have our bedding and our towels provided for us. So if you can do that, I would definitely say it's the best case scenario. Otherwise, just buy it in the country you're moving to because it's just too much space taken up in the suitcase. Overall, just keep in mind what you really need versus what you're packing just in case, because most of the time you can just leave that at home.
We hope this video helps you with packing and that you enjoy your time abroad.
So make sure to like, subscribe, and comment where you're going abroad. If you guys have any questions, you can always feel free to reach out to us. And as always, have no fear, the crew is here. Peace! Oh, my leg!
Romances.